Well, hello, Boris and Frick. How are you guys? Troy Brown here with TLC Web Marketing, Colorado Springs, and wanted to shoot you this screencast as we had talked about, Frick, just to kind of show you guys where you're at versus your competition. I'm sure you're pretty well informed on this, but there's three things I want to talk about briefly in this video, and those are content, backlinks, and citations. So with content, we'll start with content. Looking at the content on your website, one of the things we do a lot of times is a word count. Google likes to see 1,500 words or more on your home page. And interestingly enough, the way that your page is set up, you guys actually have over 14,000 words. And that's maybe a little bit overkill. We had talked about a new layout here in the email. Definitely will embrace all of those things, but I wanted to let you know about that. So you have plenty of content. Again, it may be overkill. The other thing I wanted to point out is your pictures also are part of your content, and you guys seem to do pretty good. So if I just do a right click and save image as, this particular one, I know you can't see it here, but there's just a slew of numbers that are represented. So in the future, anytime we upload pictures, they will have keywords that relate directly to that image, and keywords that will help boost. So not only the content, the keywords in the content, but also the way that the pictures are actually labeled is also a huge factor for content. So we won't really go into your website. We're going to do, another proposal that goes into all of the things that you guys had on your wish list through the email. So no worries there. But wanted to take a look at the competition. As you guys are well aware, if we just do a Google search here for real estate Belize, this is what we've got. Real estate lawyer, these are the four ads. And this fourth ad here, real estate Placentia, that's you guys. So nice that you've got that ad directly above Realtor.com, which is in the #1 organic position. Seventh Heaven Properties is in #2, and Point Two Homes actually is #3, and they're actually buried in here. So it goes from 2 to 7. Google's been burying the other results in here. That's international living. You guys are very familiar with that. And then just some other things, but the bottom line is that Realtor.com, Seventh Heaven Properties, and Point2Homes.com are your competitors. And then we also have a few other things down here. Actually, there's Point Two Homes. They're in #8 position. I think they have dropped. Then you have Belize Properties, Century 21. You know your competition, but I wanted to take a look first, just real quick, show you the layout here on Realtor.com. Although this site has power and they get #1, believe it or not, guys, we have ways that we can actually beat out the Realtor.com site locally. They have international power, but we can actually beat them out in local searches. So keep that in mind. Seventh Heaven Properties, this is their layout. Both Seventh Heaven Properties and Point Two Homes have less than 500 words on their homepage. Realtor.com has a little over 1,000. So again, I went ahead and did a count through here. So enough about looking at their sites. I put everybody into this tool. So I wanted to show you guys this tool that I have called Ahrefs, and I've dug into the keywords. So let me back up just a little bit here and show you about the backlinks. So this is what Realtor.com has for their local numbers. So we'll talk about UR and DR. These are good numbers here. However, the thing I see is they have 803 backlinks from 69 referring domains with 1,800 keywords. We can definitely do something to beat these numbers. So I wanted to click in here and show you though. They have got the #1 position for all of these keywords over here. So if you look right down here all the way So it runs pretty deep, guys. So they're in the #1 position on a Google organic search for all of these search terms right here. Okay. Of course, if we go to Seventh Heaven Properties, they're in the #2 position for all of these search terms. Breaks here at 4, homes for sale in Belize. Then they go to 3, 3, 3, 3, 2. So I want to show you that to you. And then, interestingly enough, here is Point 2 Homes and their positioning. So they have a couple in the 1 position, 2, 3 positions. Okay, so it starts kind of breaking down here. And then your site, realestateplacencia.com, just so you know your position. So all of these are the search terms, keywords, and you can see here that you guys are in 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 4. There's one from Boris Mannsfeld. You're in #1 position for that. Sign Bite Belize Real Estate. You're in the #1 position for that. So very interesting. So I wanted to show you how this is broken down by positioning. And if we go right here to the main Placencia Belize Real Estate, and we break that down, you guys are in the #6 position. This will show us exactly for that one search term, excuse me, where everybody is on that. So when we open this up right now, Seventh Heaven is in the #1 position, Point 2 Homes, #2, BelizeProperty.com, #3, First Choice, #4, 5 is Belize Real Estate MLS, and then you guys are in the #6 position for that search term. You're also in the 7th position. So you've got 6 and 7 on that. Just wanted to show you how this tool works and how we can help you to rank and beat both Realtor.com and Seventh Heaven Properties. So that is directly, all that, guys, is directly related to your backlinks and how those backlinks relate to your organic keywords. Okay, so you guys have a ton of backlinks. However, all backlinks are not created equal, and you have over 40,000 backlinks. But here's the issue. Those backlinks are only coming from 124 referring domains. You've got good keywords here at 1,500. You had 17 of them drop off in the last month. But what we need to do, guys, is we need to increase your organic keywords and get you some higher quality links on the new site from more referring domains. So that is your backlink content. And then the other thing is citations. So citations are very easy. It's your NAP, name, address, phone number. So name of the business, address, phone number. And a citation is those items and how many times they appear online. So in other words, it could be in a directory, it could be on a blog article, blog or an article. It could be something even more obscure. However, having quality backlinks is another thing that's going to drive the website so that we can directly compete up there with Realtor and Seventh Heaven. So I don't anticipate that being a problem. We will talk more about your new website. We've got the wish list. We've actually been doing quite a bit of in-depth research for you this last week. But wanted to at least show you those 3 things and kind of where things are at with your existing site right now. And again, take a look at this. Let's talk, maybe all 4 of us, Boris, Frick, myself, and my wife, we could jump on a Zoom call early next week and kind of do a deeper dive into what you guys are looking for and exactly where you want the business to be headed. Thanks so much for your time. Talk soon.